Hey, Gerard here with Home Gallery Realty. What I want to tell you is I'm putting on the house on the market today. It's a beautiful house in Glen Ellyn. My client just totally went crazy with that, updated pretty much everything. You gotta see it, coming over. Probably it's gonna hit the market today, so just come and see it yourself. It's all beautiful. Let me show you around, okay? Thanks, bye. Gerard Scheffler, the name you can trust. Cheers!